Hi, this is Tim with Friendship RV. We have the 2024 Apex Ultralight 265 RBSS. This is a couples model with one slide, half-ton towable, Asdel composite paneling. It's top of the line. Let's take a look. Full pass-through storage in the front with magnetic clips on the compartment doors. And these are what's called a slam lock. You just drop them and they shut. Battery disconnect, power tongue jack, full front window with LED lights on the front, power awning with more LED lights. This has a 200-watt solar panel system already installed. Our camp kitchen, mini fridge and griddle. Solid hinged doors on the entry. Let's take a look here. Recliners that sit right across from the TV. Very cool. Nice sound system. Fireplace that gives off heat. Furrion refrigerator, freezer. Lots of counter space. Lots of storage. Our U-shaped dinette that will drop down for a bed. Lots of storage on both sides of the bed in case you need to put alarm clocks, phones, all that good stuff right there. Pocket door. This is our shower area. This is cool. It's a sliding door. There's a magnet here so you don't, no straps to undo or anything like that. And this is a pretty good sized bathroom also. And our closet right in the front. Pretty cool unit. This is Tim with Friendship RV. Stop on out. Thank you.